What advice would you give young people about life and their careers? Millions of people are watching you and deeply respect you. What would you say about how to live your life? And how do you find your path and stay on it?
Well, I wouldn't want to speak just from my own perspective. I'd rather bring people back to the scripture, to what the Almighty said. Read. That's the first word revealed in the Holy Quran. The first command is read or iqra. So to everyone listening to or watching this podcast, I would want to bring them back to that. Read. Meaning what? Educate yourself, observe, learn, improve, but don't stay in one place. And anything a person is truly looking for, if they genuinely want to find it, not just find an answer, but find the truth, they can reach it, but they can never reach it without reading. They need to read. When a person reads, what they read enters them into their body, their heart, their mind, and it triggers a search. A search for knowledge begins inside them, but if you don't read, you won't find anything. Just listening to someone is one thing, but reading is something different. So my advice would be read and find within yourself the strength to come closer to a one God and seek to understand why we were sent here in the first place.